Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Focus door handle. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a Torx T25 screwdriver, preferably with a long shaft, to reach the retaining screw. A plastic trim removal tool is also crucial for safely prying off covers without causing damage. Of course, have your new Ford Focus door handle ready. Good lighting and a clean workspace will make this job much smoother. Now, let's get to removing the old handle. First, open the door and look for a small plastic cover on the door's edge, usually level with the lock mechanism. Carefully pry this cover off using your plastic trim removal tool. Inside, you'll see a Torx screw. Turn it counterclockwise until the smaller handle cap loosens and can be removed. Then, slide the main part of the handle towards the back of the car to fully detach it from the door. With the old handle removed, it's time to install your new one. Take a moment to clean any dirt or debris from the handle's mounting area. Now, carefully insert the new handle, guiding the smaller end into its slot first. Then, push the main handle body forward until it clicks securely into place. Make sure the handle feels firm and moves freely, indicating it's properly seated and ready for the next step. For our final steps, let's reassemble everything and perform some crucial tests. Reinstall the small handle cap, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the door's exterior. Now, tighten the Torx screw clockwise until the handle is firmly secured. Before closing up, test the new handle several times, both with the door open and then carefully with it closed, to confirm it latches and opens correctly. Double-check that all parts are flush and functioning as they should.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.